Are you tired of relying on traditional energy sources? Imagine a world where vast solar farms shimmer on the ocean surface, harnessing the sun's endless power. This isn't science fiction. It's offshore solar, a game-changing technology with the potential to revolutionize clean energy. Today on this channel, we'll dive deep into 5 reasons why offshore solar could be the future of a sustainable tomorrow. So buckle up and subscribe for a wave of innovation. Point 1. Untapped potential. Imagine gazing out at the vast expanse of the ocean, not at endless blue, but at a shimmering sea of solar panels. This isn't a futuristic fantasy, it's the potential of offshore solar, a technology poised to unlock a clean energy treasure trove. Our planet is 71% water, a colossal canvas just begging to be used for sustainable energy generation. Traditional land-based solar farms face a constant struggle, finding space that doesn't compete with vital needs like agriculture, housing, and protecting ecosystems. Offshore solar elegantly bypasses this conflict. By utilizing the ocean's surface, we unlock a virtually limitless potential for clean energy production. Picture solar farms stretching as far as the eye can see, following the gentle curves of the horizon. Point 2. Power boost from the ocean. Imagine solar panels basking under the sun, but instead of scorching deserts, they're nestled on a cool ocean breeze. Believe it or not, this seemingly unconventional placement offers a hidden advantage. Unlike their landlocked counterparts susceptible to heat, offshore solar panels benefit from the ocean's natural air conditioning system. Studies show this cooler environment can boost energy generation by up to 10%. It's a double win. The ocean keeps the panels happy and performing at their peak, while simultaneously generating more clean energy. But the benefits don't stop there. Offshore locations often experience stronger, steadier winds. By co-locating offshore wind farms with solar panels, we can create a powerful hybrid renewable energy source, harnessing the combined might of the sun and the wind. Point 3. A boon for marine life. Our initial worries might be that vast solar arrays disrupt ocean ecosystems. But hold on, research suggests the opposite. These structures transform into artificial reefs. Imagine a vibrant underwater city teeming with life. Fish, crustaceans, and various marine organisms find these structures to be prime real estate, offering shelter, breeding grounds, and a smorgasbord of new microscopic life attracted to the panels. The very presence of the solar farms fosters increased biodiversity, breathing new life into previously barren areas. Offshore solar becomes a win-win. We get clean energy and marine life gets a vibrant new metropolis to call home. Point 4. Taming the waves. Harsh ocean environments pose a challenge for solar panels, raising concerns about durability. But fear not, innovation is riding to the rescue. We're developing cutting-edge floating platforms specifically designed to withstand the ocean's fury. Imagine these platforms gracefully bobbing on the waves, their anchoring systems acting like underwater anchors, holding firm against strong winds and currents. Special, super strong materials ensure the solar panels themselves can weather even the fiercest storms. This relentless pursuit of innovation is paving the way for robust offshore solar farms, ready to brave the elements and deliver clean energy, rain or shine. Point 5. Powering the future. Imagine a world where sprawling cities hum with clean energy, powered not by fossil fuels, but by the vast, untapped potential of the sun. Offshore solar isn't just a technology, it's a bridge to this future. Its immense potential for energy generation, coupled with the efficiency boost from cooler ocean temperatures, creates a powerhouse waiting to be unleashed. But the benefits go beyond raw power. Offshore solar offers a chance to diversify our renewable portfolio, a crucial step in achieving global clean energy goals. Most importantly, it represents a future where our oceans are not just sources of energy, but partners in progress. The innovative structures can become havens for marine life, fostering biodiversity while powering our world. Offshore solar is a symbol of hope, a beacon on the horizon of a sustainable future, one bathed in the clean, limitless energy of the sun. The sun's energy, a vast and limitless resource, beckons us to tap into its potential. Offshore solar offers the key to unlock a sustainable future, a future illuminated by clean energy. It's a future worth fighting for, and on this channel we'll continue to explore the innovations shaping this exciting world. But before we set sail for our next adventure, hit that subscribe button and join our ever-growing crew of energy enthusiasts. Together, let's ride the wave of offshore solar towards a brighter tomorrow.